This is a video for Unit L5, which is located at Villas on the Gulf. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. This has, like all the condos I rent, got nothing but great, consistent 5-star reviews. Here's the kitchen, fully equipped. Got a Keurig, toaster, pots, pans, everything that you need for your kitchen. All right, coming over here, this is the first, got 2 double bed, or no, sorry, 1 double bed, and then you have a bunk bed. All of the bedrooms have a flat screen TV, as well as a living room. This is the little hallway into the master bath. Great changing area to put your wet bathing suits up. Got a full bathtub here. And then this is just a super cute remodel on this place. All the weathered board, new, everything's been redone in this place. Lots of neat details as to making this the perfect beach bungalow. Full washer and dryer. There is a rollaway bed in one of the closets here. This is the king-size bed. Got lots of storage space. You've got 2. Oh, there you go. There is the there's a fold-away right there. And you've got a dresser drawer there, 2 closets. So you could put 2 in the double, 2 in the bunk beds, 2 in the master king, and then you could put 1 on the rollaway. This is a half bath, all done with fine detail. Very nautical. And then finally, you could put 1 person here. And this is your balcony. Come out here, it's decorated oh so nice. This place is called Parrot Paradise, and there you got the mascot right there, standing guard. You've got a really nice table with the famous Pensacola beach sign. They leave some chairs, a few beach toys, more places for your wet bathing suit. And this is your view out the balcony. If you follow this trail out, it will lead you less than 5-minute walk straight to the Gulf of Mexico. And if you follow this path, it will take you to the clubhouse and community pool that is reserved for guests of Villas on the Gulf. And there is your video of Unit L5, Parrot Paradise. It is going to be online bookable. If you have any questions, please feel free to text, email, call me. And have a great day. Thanks for joining me on this video for unit L5 Parrot Paradise, located at Villas on the Gulf, Pensacola Beach. Another 5-star rental.